Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of achieving financial freedom but feel like it's an impossible goal? You're not alone. Millions of people struggle to manage their finances effectively, and it's costing them dearly. Without a solid financial plan, you risk falling into debt, struggling to make ends meet, and missing out on opportunities to build wealth. The good news is, it doesn't have to be this way. In this video, I'm going to reveal an ancient Chinese saving secret that can help you take control of your finances and achieve financial freedom. We'll break down this ancient wisdom into practical steps you can start using today. Let's go! This ancient Chinese secret is all about harnessing the power of compound interest. Now, you might have heard of compound interest before, but let me tell you, most people severely underestimate its impact. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it rolls, it picks up more snow, growing larger and larger. That's compound interest in action. When you invest your money, it earns interest. But here's the magic. That interest then earns interest itself, and so on. It's like your money is multiplying on autopilot. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to compound. Even small amounts, invested consistently, can grow into a substantial sum over time. Let's say you invest just $100 a month, earning an average annual return of 7%. In 30 years, you'd have over $100,000. That's the power of compound interest. Don't wait another day to start investing. Open a high-yield savings account, start contributing to a retirement fund, or explore other investment options. Remember, the snowball effect takes time, but the results are well worth it. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your wealth grow exponentially. Now, let's talk about how to manage your money effectively using the 50-30-20 rule. This rule is a straightforward and practical approach to budgeting that can help you take control of your finances and ensure you're making the most out of your income. This simple budgeting technique can help you gain control of your finances and make sure you're allocating your money wisely. By following this rule, you can create a balanced financial plan that covers your needs, allows for some fun, and helps you save for the future. Think of your income as a pie chart divided into 3 sections. Each section represents a different category of expenses, and by dividing your income this way, you can easily see where your money is going. The first and largest section represents 50% of your after-tax income. This is the portion that goes towards your essential expenses, the things you absolutely need to survive. This portion is dedicated to your needs. These are the non-negotiable costs that you must cover each month, including rent or mortgage payments, groceries, utilities, transportation, and any debt payments. It's crucial to ensure these expenses are covered first before moving on to other categories. The next slice of the pie is 30%, and this is for your wants. Wants are the fun stuff, the things that bring you joy but aren't essential for survival. Think dining out, entertainment, hobbies, shopping, and that new gadget you've had your eye on. This category allows you to enjoy your money and indulge in the things that make life enjoyable. By setting aside a portion of your income for wants, you can treat yourself without feeling guilty. Finally, the last 20% of your income is dedicated to savings and investments. This is the money you're setting aside for your future, whether it's for retirement, a down payment on a house, or investments. Saving and investing are crucial for building wealth and securing your financial future. By consistently saving and investing, you can build a financial cushion that will support you in the long run. Now, you might need to adjust these percentages slightly based on your individual circumstances and financial goals. Everyone's financial situation is unique, so it's important to tailor the 50-30-20 rule to fit your needs. But the key is to have a clear allocation for your money and stick to it as closely as possible. By doing so, you can ensure that you're covering your essential expenses, enjoying your money responsibly, and making significant progress towards your financial goals. By following the 50-30-20 rule, you'll be able to cover your essential expenses, enjoy your money responsibly, and still make significant progress towards your financial goals. This balanced approach to budgeting can help you achieve financial stability and peace of mind. Let's face it, tracking every single dollar you spend can be a real drag. It can feel overwhelming and tedious. especially when you're already juggling so many responsibilities. That's where the envelope system comes in. This method is not just about budgeting, it's about simplifying your financial life. This simple, yet effective method can help you gain better control over your spending, especially for categories where you tend to overspend. It's a hands-on approach that makes budgeting tangible and real. Here's how it works. At the beginning of each month, withdraw cash for specific spending categories. Think groceries, entertainment, dining out, or whatever categories work best for you. The key is to identify areas where you tend to overspend and allocate a fixed amount of cash for each. Label each envelope with the corresponding category and the amount of cash you've allocated for it. This visual and physical separation of funds helps you stay organized and focused. For example, if you've budgeted $300 for groceries, you'll put $300 in cash into the groceries envelope. This way, you know exactly how much you have left to spend. Now here's the key. Once the cash in an envelope is gone, it's gone. This rule is non-negotiable and helps you stick to your budget. No more spending in that category until the next month. This creates a natural stopping point and prevents you from dipping into other funds. This creates a physical barrier and makes you think twice before spending. It forces you to prioritize and make more deliberate choices. The envelope system is particularly helpful for people who tend to overspend when using credit cards. Credit cards can make it easy to lose track of your spending, but cash is finite and visible. Seeing the cash leave your hand creates a more tangible connection to your spending. It makes the act of spending more real and immediate. It also forces you to be more mindful and intentional with your purchases. You'll find yourself asking, "Do I really need this?" Or, "Can I get by without it this month?" These questions help you evaluate your needs versus your wants. This system encourages you to delay gratification and think about the long-term benefits of saving money. Give the envelope system a try and see how it can transform your spending habits. It's a small change that can lead to big results. You might be surprised at how much money you can save and how much more control you feel over your finances. It's a step towards financial freedom and peace of mind. Life is full of surprises, and not all of them are good. Unexpected events can happen at any time, and they often come when we least expect them. That's why having an emergency fund is crucial. It acts as a financial buffer, providing you with the peace of mind that you can handle whatever life throws your way. Think of it as your financial safety net, there to catch you if the unexpected happens. Just like a net catches a falling acrobat, your emergency fund catches you during financial freefalls. Imagine this. Your car breaks down, leaving you stranded and in need of costly repairs. Or you face a sudden medical expense that you hadn't planned for, adding stress to an already difficult situation. Or even worse, you lose your job unexpectedly, cutting off your primary source of income. These situations are stressful enough without the added burden of financial strain. The emotional toll can be overwhelming. An emergency fund provides a financial cushion to help you navigate these unexpected events without derailing your financial progress. It allows you to focus on solving the problem rather than worrying about money. It can mean the difference between handling a crisis with relative ease or falling into debt. The relief of knowing you have a safety net can be immense. So, how much should you have in your emergency fund? This is a common question with a simple answer. A good rule of thumb is to have 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved up. This amount provides a solid buffer for most unexpected events. This will vary depending on your individual circumstances and risk tolerance. Some may need more, while others may get by with less. Start by setting aside a small amount each month, even if it's just $50 or $100. The key is to start somewhere. As you get used to saving, gradually increase that amount until you reach your goal. Consistency is more important than the amount you save initially. As you see your emergency fund grow, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment and security. This will motivate you to keep going. Remember, building an emergency fund takes time and discipline, but the effort is well worth it. Patience and persistence are key. It's one of the most important things you can do for your financial well-being. Financial freedom starts with being prepared for the unexpected. It's not a matter of if, but when you'll need it. So start today and give yourself the gift of financial security. Let's be honest, saving money consistently can be tough. It's easy to tell ourselves we'll save next month or once we have more money. But here's the secret: automate your savings. Think of it like a subscription service for your financial future. You set it up once, and it runs on autopilot, effortlessly building your wealth over time. Most banks allow you to set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. Choose a frequency that works for you, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. The key is to make it automatic and consistent. Treat your savings like any other essential expense, something that needs to be paid regularly. You can also automate your investments. Many brokerage firms offer automatic investment plans, allowing you to invest a set amount of money in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds on a regular basis. By automating your savings and investments, you'll be amazed at how quickly your money grows without even thinking about it. It's like magic, but it's really just smart financial planning. So there you have it, the ancient Chinese saving secret revealed. By harnessing the power of compound interest, managing your money effectively, and automating your savings, you can achieve financial freedom and live a life of abundance. Remember, it's not about how much money you make, but how you manage and grow what you have. Take the time to review the steps we've covered and implement them into your own financial life. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these tips resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, check out our other videos on personal savings and budgeting. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more financial tips and tricks. Until next time.